In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add SSH key to Google Cloud Virtual Machine. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Once from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to make sure that you have created a VM or virtual machine. And you can check that by going over to the navigation menu and then go down to Compute Engine and then click Overview. Once from here, you'll be able to see under here Resource Footprint that you total VMs. And you can also go over to View Instances to check the more detailed version of VMs. Once from here, you can also create one and purchase one if you want to do that. Now from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to Start and click in CMD or Command Prompts. And then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, it's very important that you click the correct name or else it won't find it. From here, you'll simply need to click SSH, this right here, and then keygen, like so. From here, you can just click it and click it again, and then you will be able to see the interfile in which save to key, and then you'll see this specific right here. From here, you can see users and then your name. From here, you'll just need to open up your library, go down to this PC, users, and then your name, and then you'll need to find the .ssh right here. There will be generated a feature right here, and it will be named this ID right here. If it hasn't done that, you'll just simply need to try it again. From here, you'll simply need to open this up inside of the library using Notepad, and then inside of that Notepad will be your SSD key. This key you'll need to copy and then go into the virtual machine instances and then click Edit. Once you're inside of the edit page, you'll need to scroll down until you see the SSH key and then paste it into that section and then click Save. Now from here, you're ready to log in using your SSH key, but that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!